Hello, hola, bonjour, konnichiwa, ni hao, wa, guan, sports fans all around the world. Welcome to Emil's Talk, a special segment on This or That Sports TV, where you and I can laugh, have discussions and find solutions to pressing issues for yes people, the games we love. Don't forget, very important, don't forget, like this video, leave a comment and share this video to as many people as possible. Why you have to do that? I want This or That Sports TV take off. How much time I have to say it, people? Come on, man, come on. But yeah, man, people, I'm back, another Emil's Talk, and this video will be a bit longer. I suspect this video will be a bit longer. I have a little something for, yeah, man, so I rejuvenate myself, you understand? Now look on it and say, when you see the wrap up and thing. Why Emil wrap up the drink? Why wrap it up for? People, I don't want the man them come message me about why you do you give man them free promo, rare. I don't really want you not chatting about that right now, you understand, people? So I make sure somebody do the right thing and cover it up. But if there are any brands out there that would like to sponsor the channel, hey, we'd be grateful for it. Contact us on social media and let's talk some business over there. But for the time being, I have to cover up that. But yeah, man, people, let's get right into the video. Yeah. So first and foremost, have to start by bigging up the Reggae Girlz. Me I have to start off the video by bigging up the Reggae Girlz. I come in like with the World Championship here, you man understand. Yeah, man, we're doing good in the World Championship, but I don't want the people them forget the greatness what the Reggae Girlz them just pull off. Or what they them just pull off history, man. Round of 16, come on, people. And you come in like the people them just fling it to our wayside like them forget. Hey, we drop the ball now, people. In my humble opinion now, people feel like we drop the ball now. Imagine the girls come back. Some of the girls came back to Jamaican thing. Not even a band for greet them. Not even a little band play some music make the girl them feel like them accomplish something so great. But it come in like majority of the support you only see it on social media. But people, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you some dates, I'm going to give you some time and thing, so you know when you can come out and support the girls. But yeah, man, people, we have to show some love to the girls, man. They accomplished great things, people. Don't forget, accomplished great things. And I have a few things to mention. Now, first and foremost, people, my draw feet. Becky Spencer. One Spencer. Big goalkeeper. She actually is joint second when it comes to keeping clean sheets, I believe it's what, three clean sheets she kept, yeah? Joint second in the entire competition. And also ranked 4th most saves in the competition as well. And our very own Simmons, yeah, man, as the World Cup done and she gone back at her University of Tennessee. Leave World Cup, gone back at university. Crazy, people. And she's already striking in goals back to back. Yeah, man, her second game back from the World Cup, And she strikes again for the University of Tennessee. So we love to see that. And you remember, people, Olympics is right around the corner for the girls. The Olympic qualifier, I think they have to play Canada twice. But we'll get into that. And she surely will be a candidate to make her way in this squad. But yeah, man, people. Also, my favorite, Kiki Van Zanten. I really thought that the coach should have given her a bit. Like, give her more chances for sure quality. Because this girl is crazy talented, But such is life. But yeah, man, she was also joint second fastest player during the entire females FIFA World Cup. Very impressive things, people. But we have to talk about some transfer news now on the Reggae Girlz side. Atalanta, Primus. Where she gone? She gone to Southampton, people. Southampton. On her move from the London City Lionesses to the Saints in the Barclays Women's Championship. Nice. We love to see people. I put up a little picture. She look nice. Hey, people, she look nice in her jersey. It fit her, you know, sir. It fit her, man. Yeah, man, people. It's a good look. We'll move on now. Big defender, Alison Swaby. Yeah, man. Apparently, she's heading off to AC Milan. You know, this would be her second stint in the Italian league. She, after spending about 3 seasons with Roma. But yeah, man, so we'll get some more information on that. But that is what we're hearing so far. Yeah, man, people. All in all, must say it. Thank you again, Reggae Girlz. Thank you again. You deserve so much more. And I can only hope that what you guys have accomplished, it will drive more support, more sponsorships, because trust me, these girls deserve it. And as I said in a previous video, looking at the talent that we have and the possible players that are linked to even joining up with the team, I can safely say that give a few years of development and putting together the right things and the right pieces together on this team, they can win the Females World Cup. Watching these games, these girls are not far off. They're really not far off. Them just have to tweak some things and get it right. Just tweak some things, you know? But the next thing people have to talk about, Mr. Donaldson, you know? Coach Donaldson. Now, I'm sure you've heard some little rumors and things. Obviously, a good coach, and he's had his hands in terms of developing a lot of female footballers in the North American region. Top coach, people, make no mistake, he's a top coach, you know? And looking at what the Reggae Girlz accomplished, it is crazy that some persons within the JFF didn't even want this man a part of the team. Crazy, they didn't even want him to coach this team, and you know? But he did, and he did an excellent job. But now we're hearing some rumors that the United States are looking to hire this man now. It's Coach Donaldson. And initially, I rubbished it completely. But then a few days after, or a few weeks after, I see that the United States coach got fired. No longer in a job. So that spot is open. And people, you might be wondering, why am I mentioning this? But people, this is what I don't want to happen. You remember Ryan Thompson, the goalkeeper, right? Goalkeeping coach for the United States right now. We're going to lose Coach Donaldson as well. This is the problem that I have. We don't show the respect that also should show are talented, are intelligent, are hard-working people. The man could have get any job, but him decide, say I'm going to help him country. And what would do? What would do? Just kick him and spit in him face, and that's it. I will show some more respect, you know? But the USA coach is fired, and Donaldson is they're looking at him, people. The United States are looking at him, and I really hope that we don't lose him to the United States. Too often we are losing a lot of talented, intelligent, innovative minds to other foreign countries, and it is hurting the nation, you know? But I've spoken in depth about that in multiple videos. You can all go back me talking about brain drain and all these things, people. Deeper than football. But yeah, man, people, said it. I'll move on to some things now, you know, the Reggae Boyz realm now. Yeah, man. Waltham's finest. Ronaldo Cephas. Yeah, man. leaving, boy, the man them go some club we can't even pronounce the man. Hold on there. Well, hold on people. What is? So him left, Shakupi, or if you pronounce that team. It's one of them Scandinavian league. I can't pronounce it right now. Shakupi or something. You know what I'm talking about, people. But now I'm gone to the Turkish league, people. And I'm gone to a team where the name even harder to pronounce, unfortunately. MKE Bloodfire. People, I am going to just put it up on the screen and I'm not going to butcher them name. You can tell me how it pronounced in the comment section. I'm looking forward to reading the comment section and you guys educating me on how I'm supposed to pronounce this, But yeah, it is reported that it was a 1 million euros, in transfer. And this is what we love to see, people. Leaving Arnett Gardens, going to the Scandinavian League for Shekupi and moving into the Turkish League, stepping up. Incremental steps to improvement, And I believe he already scored for the team already. And in the second game also he played well. I don't think he scored in the second game, but he's playing well. He's on fire, people. He is on fire. And this is all I have to say, people. It would be criminal. It would be criminal if Ronaldo Cephas doesn't get a call up. Doesn't get a call up for these upcoming Nation League games. It would be criminal, people. Trust me. But big up Ronaldo Cephas. Love always and continue to do the right things, Jamaican people, them love you and want to see the best for you. Continue striving and give the youth them hope. You see me? Now moving on to another big transfer. One that I couldn't even fathom. I couldn't even fathom this, people. Because this is historic, people. This is historic, people. Trust me. Travante Stewart. Where him gone? Syria. Top 5 league in the world, people. For which club? Another team. I gotta try to pronounce that one here, people. Salernitana, people. Salernitana. Once again, people, leave it in the comment section. Tell me how am I supposed to pronounce this, but yeah, man, people. Travante Stewart, top goal scorer in the JPL. Moving on to top 5 league in the world. Bear in mind, the JPL ranked to, last time I checked, was it 168 in the world? Moving on to a top 5 team, a top 5 league in the world. Syria A is a big thing, people. Don't think it's a joke, people. It's a big thing, and I'm not sure of the transfer fee. I have to check back. I don't remember the transfer fee, but all I can say is when that is converted to Jamaican dollars, I hope and pray that Mount Pleasant can put that towards development, not only in their infrastructure, but probably their youth academy or whatsoever, so we can have more talented players coming up, Very important. And people, I love to see these people, because this helped me with my agenda. People, I've said it so many times, and I can't hide. Tell your nephew, tell your son, tell your cousin, tell your brethren, tell your brother. Tell them this. Tell them say, hey, me, I'll say this. And I can't hide. You guys playing in the JPL, and I can't hide. Nobody is holding you back. No bad mind energy now, worry about. Just work hard, put in the work. Show your quality because they are watching. Look at Ronaldo Cephas. They are watching. And you can't hide, they're watching. Scandinavian countries. We just say Syria A, teams in Syria A, Championship. All of these clubs, they're watching. All of Europe is watching. And you think them now watch? They're watching. So what you have to do as a player, put in the work, stay focused. Stop, go a bar and a drink rum special and a bun a slang thing. Enough. You don't want to be baller. Act professional and show say you're a baller. When I turn on my TV or I go out there to go watch a JPL match, I'm not supposed to see no man with no rum belly people. Yeah? I'm not supposed to see nobody with no rum belly. Look like a professional footballer, because that's what we want to see. We want to see the football elevate. You understand? Very important. So as I say, you can't hide. You can't hide. You know? But yeah, man, people, big up Travante Stewart one more time, man. Can't wait to see him debut. And I'm not sure the plans that the team has for him, but I can only imagine the infrastructure and everything, the developmental plan that they have for this man. Because watching Travante Stewart, imposing figure, very tall, very strong, and very skilled, you know. He is a good finisher, controls and holds up the ball well, and I can see his technical ability improving in this league. So once again, big up yourself, Travante Stewart. Continue being a face for the youths, you know. Say yes, hard work and belief, and them can make it too. Yeah, man, that is it. But yeah, man, people, my striker now, I have to talk about Shamar Nicholson. Now, apparently, he's been linked to Watford. Now, people, I need this move to happen expeditiously. I need it to happen, people, because I can't have Shamar Nicholson in that dead league, in that war league. It is holding back his career and his development. So, it started off well, but then it went downhill, you know. So I hope that this Watford being interested is not only interest, but it's concrete, and we'll see him in a Watford jersey playing in the English Championship. I would love to see, hopefully, that the contract is to his desired amount and him can take care of himself and his family members, his siblings, all of that, cause that is also important. So once again, I look forward to it and hoping and wishing all the best for Shamar Nicholson and his career. You know, people? Now, another one, and we've heard rumors, you know, our star boy in the Gold Cup, Demarai Gray, you know? Apparently, he is linked, or, well, based on my knowledge, he's linked, but I'm seeing conflicting reports, like he's already made the move. But, yeah, man, people, he's gone to the Saudi Arabian League. Yeah, man, Demarai Gray. It seems as if he's gone to the Saudi Arabian League, people. Al-Shabab. Yeah, man, we can pronounce that one, the people. Al-Shabab. Yeah, man, people, never get that one there wrong. But it looks like a verbal agreement is in place with Everton, and based on my knowledge, Everton doesn't want to release him as yet because they still have to get a replacement, and the transfer window is winding down, so Everton, they need to make a decision very fast, because I would hate it if the transfer window closed and it halt this move and Demarai Gray just dead up on the bench. That won't help him or the national team. So people, yeah, man, I know a Saudi Arabian League, but man, I get that bug, people, you know. And the Saudi Arabian League is not as bad as people make it out to look. I can safely say that this Saudi Arabian Pro League is much better than the MLS. Watching the MLS and watching the Saudi Arabian League. And a lot of quality players are now moving to the Saudi Arabian League, people, so give some respect. Yeah, man, I mean, money is attracting them, but the quality of football is there. The infrastructure, the development, everything is there, people. And, you know, all in all, it is, we want to see the ball of them go out there, play consistently, and make them money so them can take care of them family. We also see that, is it Lamar Walker? I believe he is Lamar Walker. Also made a move. I believe it's the second division in the Saudi Arabian League he's gone to, Lamar Walker. Also a good move. Go out there and get your money, take care of your family, take care of yourself. And the league isn't bad. Can still play quality football and develop, you know? And him carrying a done this ain't never dead this. So as I said before, eyes are everywhere. It doesn't matter where you're playing. Once you're good, clubs will run and come calling you people. That's what I know, and that's what we've been seeing recently. But yeah, man, people, we'll move now. I'm say big up the Reggae Girlz, big up the Reggae Boyz. Continue making us proud. Now, make a segue now, people. We'll talk about Mr. Phoenix himself, Craig Butler. People, watching everything that Craig Butler was able to accomplish, people, we have to come out and give him flowers early. We have to come out and give him flowers from now, people. Because he's truly accomplished a lot of great things, people. You know? And I don't think people give him the credit that he deserves. I mean, yeah, he's done some questionable things. They talk about the Ryan show and him take off his shirt. But method to the madness, as they would say. They would say method to the madness, but he's a great man and he's done a great work helping the young Jamaican youth them make a way. Talk about that Leon Bailey, the Kyle Butlers, the Dejan Richards. And now we are adding even more to the list. Now, people, as you would know, Craig Butler, he has a club in the, I believe it's the third division of the Belgian League, Division 3 in the Belgian League or something like that, people. Visse. He has ownership in that club, and people, a lot of the Phoenix Academy and some of the Mona players are signed to that team. Yeah, man, people, it's official. Pro contract signed and all, people. Just take a look for yourself. We talk about Marquise Reed, Daniel Mitchell, Saka, big Saka. Talk about Isaac, Alexander Bicknell, Bob. You talk about Jade Clark, Zane Pinnock, Shamar Phillips, Whitfield. Yeah, man, a lot of these players, man. Mario Isco. Yeah, man, people. All of these people, man. It's a good look. Leaving from Phoenix Academy or the Mona High School, getting a pro contract in Europe. Continue to develop in such good conditions. This is what we love to see, people, and big up to all of those players. We hope and pray that you guys take this opportunity with both hands. Take this opportunity with both hands, and we'll be watching and we want to see the development. Well, we definitely are going to see the development, you know. But once again, big up Craig Butler. Continue to do a good job. But yeah, man, big up to Craig Butler always. And people, I know say we don't have no differences and I said this and I said that on the channel, but when I can't rest now, just give the man him credit and enough for the war. At the end of the day, Jamaica the thing that we want to see Jamaica innovate and evolve and move forward. That is what it's all about, people. So enough of the agenda and whatsoever. We just want to see the right things going in Jamaica, you know? But yeah, man, big up Craig Butler. Moving on, people. I should have mentioned this player earlier, but I'll mention it now. Tyreek Magee. You know? Tyreek Magee, top midfielder. You know, him get a raw deal in the Belgian league, got a very raw deal. You know, there is training and everything, but the staff constantly changing, the coaching staff constantly changing, and there was no stability whatsoever. And eventually he left, couldn't stay at the Belgian league, and was out of our club for quite some time. And eventually he got his move to the USL, And people, you know how we feel about the USL, but we can see it as a stepping stone. You know, it's not a league where you spend your entire career in. It's a stepping stone, and they have the funds to pay the players and the right infrastructure to also develop the players. So we're not gonna beat the USL. And another thing, people have to be careful how we talk about other leagues outside of Jamaica. People always say, "Oh, the you them gonna bush league, him gonna this, him gonna that, a waste man league that." But when you check the stats, the league is much better than the JPL. So people, we could just humble ourselves. Yeah, we have a lot of raw talent, but they're not developed into the final product as yet. And these leagues we wanna call bush league, they're the ones putting the final touches and helping these players make the next move. So give credit where it's due, man, and stop the nonsense, you know? But yeah, man, Tyreek Magee been playing well, you know? Slowly getting back into his groove. And recently we see him with switchbacks. Scored 2 goals. 2 wonderful goals. You know? So big up Tyreek Magee. And the reason why I'm even talking about this is now I am seeing people talking about wanting to see Tyreek Magee feature in this Nations League. The upcoming games for the Nations League. People, relax. I just one game, you know. Literally, I just one game and already our brain fly up. We could just calm down. Allow the man to continue work on him craft and develop. His time will come. Tyreek Magee is a talented baller. His time will come. And leave that decision in the coach's hands. If the coach believe, say a time for call Tyreek Magee, allow the coach to do his job. But as for me, people, I don't think it's the right time for him. I believe that we have better players that we can call upon, but if the coach call him, I would have no gripe about it because I'm aware of Tyreek Magee's quality. You know, so I wouldn't have any gripe about that if they call him back and give him a chance to even prove himself. But once again, 2 good goals, and I'm looking to watch even more games, even a lot more games from Tyreek Magee over in the USL, watching his movement. A big criticism of Tyreek Magee not being able to use his feet, yeah man, the left and the right, more left-footed, you know. So that is one criticism, and his defensive work rate, running back, those things, people. But I'm looking forward to watching some more games of Tyreek Magee. But big up again, 2 brilliant goals over in the USL for the switchbacks. We saw the likes of, is it Devon Williams? And somebody else, I can't remember his name. A few Jamaicans on that team, so it is not, the surroundings isn't unfamiliar, it's not uncomfortable for him, and it makes it easier for him to adjust, you know? But yeah man, big up Tyreek Magee and continue to improve. We'll love to see it. But yeah man, people, again, before I close the video, I just want to leave the message one more time. Your talent over there in the JPL, you talented players, working hard, trying to make a name for yourself. Look upon Ronaldo Cephas. Look upon Travante Stewart. Trust me, only can make it. If them can make it, you can make it as well. Use it as fuel to your fire. Yeah, you can make it. I mean, nobody talking in your ear say it's impossible, because it's not impossible. And you see too many examples to show you that it isn't impossible. Trust me, you can do it. Just work hard, stay focused, you know, and have the right people in your corner, the right people in to encourage you to be the professional you need to be to make it to the next level. You can't pair with some man who knows say you're a professional footballer, and you have to go to bed at a certain time, you have to be eating the right things. And the man might tell you, say, yo, dog, I could go this and that, I could go to a bar one time, I drink a special, and I'm going to weed. No, enough of that, man. You're a professional, move like a professional, and with being a professional, you have to make sacrifices. You get me, I say? If you don't want upset with that, that's the facts. You know? That's the facts, but when I choose if you don't want to listen, but when I see a lot of examples, so you can't make it. So it is all in your hands. And finally, people, some things that I'm going to read to you right now. As promised, as I said in the beginning of the video. Now, the Jamaican Football Federation, they're pleased to announce that the nation will be able to see 3 of our national teams on home soil over the next few weeks. Now, first in action will be the under-17 Reggae Girlz in the CONCACAF Women's under-17 qualifiers, which is slated to run from August the 26th to the 30th at the Sabina Park, people. At the Sabina Park. Jamaica is in a group. They're in Group E, and they're alongside Grenada and Panama. So, people, and based on my knowledge as well, it's free, people. It's free. Some don't wanna tell me about, yo, email dog, you know, say, my baby mother, she'll give me a raw deal right now, she'll look like Swan, bro. Yo, no, I don't want to hear that. It's free. So I can come out and show some love, you see me? I can come out and show some love, and to some of you ladies who call themselves feminists, wanna come out and come support the girls them too. Yeah, I never think somebody there talk it. Come out and support the girls them too. And both them call themselves feminists. When I'm not feminist, when just use it as a title for look cool or something. Must, because I don't move like feminists. So I thought the university student them, and come on people, you know what me I talk about. Come out and come support the girls them. That me I talk about, people. But yeah, man, as I said before, free Sabina Park. Moving on now. In September, the Reggae Boyz will be in action on the 8th and 12th, respectively. That's September, people. And they'll be playing against Honduras and Haiti. Yeah, man, that are the CONCACAF Nations League. And that will be at the National Stadium. And additionally, in September as well, the Reggae Girlz, fresh off of the historic round of 16 appearance at the Women's World Cup, they will also face Canada in the first leg of the Olympic playoffs. Yeah, man, at the National Stadium on the 22nd. And the second leg, that will be played on the 26th, but that will be in Toronto. But yeah, man, people, it is a good look, and I'll be here to update you as much as possible. And people, I hope that when I go to that game, that I'll be seeing quite a few people out there. Cause come on, people, I have to show some more support to the football. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna come out and support the girls them. We'll come out and support the youths them as well. You know, very, very important. I'll come out and support the Reggae Boyz, the Reggae Girlz, and the under-17 Reggae Girls. They'll all be playing Sabina Park National Stadium. So look out for you people. But yeah, man, people, a long video. A very, very long video, but yeah, we'll get through it. And thank you guys for staying and listening to my few words. Don't forget, like this video, leave a comment, and share this video to as many people as possible. That's the end of Emil's talk. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye for now.